Welcome to the Resources Roadhouse. I'm Wally. I'm at the 2025 RIU Explorers Conference in Fremantle, catching up with Chris Piggott, who's Managing Director of Leeuwin Metals. Chris, welcome to the Roadhouse.
G'day.
Okay, so Leeuwin Metals, you've got a new gold project, I believe, the Marda gold project. So tell me the where's, why's and wherefores. Where is it and what is it and why are you doing it?
Yeah, so we're Leeuwin Metals, our code's LM1. We listed a couple of years ago and recently made the pivot to gold in WA. So we've recently brought the Marda gold project. It's north of Southern Cross in Western Australia. We bought it off Ramelius for $500,000 of shares. That's going to go to completion in the middle of next month. We raised $4 million. We got $4 million in the bank post our raise. So we're well funded, EV of around 8, highly leveraged to gold price, mining leases in Western Australia, and lots of news flow for 2025 with the drill bit. So it's a good time to be in WA gold.
All right, so where is the project at the moment? You've picked it up, so where does it sit?
Yeah, so we're currently going through that process of completion. The notice of meeting went out, so it'll be completed middle of March. But then post that, we've been, during this time, we've been doing a complete remodel of the geology, review of the database. The results we've seen to date and we're still kind of finalising them, are very encouraging, and really will show that the reason why we bought the project. And when we do finalise that study, we'll be able to put that out to market. And then we're planning to be drilling Q1, Q2 this year at Marda, targeting high-grade zones of mineralisation around existing pits along strike at depth on mining leases, meaning that any discovery and any success with the drill bit can be commercialised in a timely manner.
All right, so Marda, is that the major focus of the company at the moment? Any other sort of projects that may be on the back burner? Yeah,
so Marda is our focus, but the company also has lithium and nickel in Manitoba, so that's essentially a free option on those two commodities for investors. We also have a iron ore project in the Pilbara that we worked up last year that we'll be working on in the background, but the majority of our time and money will be spent on the ground at Marda.
Yeah, well, I mean, the way the gold price is at the moment, you'd be shareholders wouldn't be happy if you weren't doing that.
Yeah, exactly, and I think it's a pretty easy decision to make when gold's touching record highs almost daily at the moment.
All right, so you say the drills are going to be spinning out there soon. They're not out there yet?
No, we'll wait till we own the project first.
Come on, get out there.
Once we actually have the legal title, we'll be drilling holes at Marda.
Yeah, no worries. Well, and you bought it off Ramelius, you said.
Yes.
So are they? They've come on as shareholders. Are they going to be playing any part in the development of the project?
There's a good relationship there, and they will be a major shareholder. They'll be around 5%ish by the time it's all said and done. We're very pleased to have a well-credentialed, experienced, very competent gold mining company on the register.
Yeah, and you'll be able to tap into their knowledge.
Yeah, that's the hope. I think speaking to them to date, they're obviously really excellent at what they've been doing there, and I think for us it's an opportunity at Marda to maybe focus on the exploration upside, and then once we get to the point that we need to kind of have those discussions with Ramelius, the doors, we've got their phone number and there's a relationship there, so very pleased to have Ramelius as a shareholder.
Terrific. All right, well, keep the news flow coming through, keep it coming through to the Roadhouse so that we can bring it to everybody here. But until then, Chris, thanks for joining us, and look forward to catching up again soon.
Thanks, Wally.